Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we talk about all things finance, investing, business, and real estate. I have little Abe joining me today, and we're going to talk about a big question that many people have when they are thinking about starting a business. And that is, to be or not to be? Just kidding, you guys. It is, how much do I really need to start a business? How much money do I need? I know 3 different types of entrepreneurs. There's those that say, I need $1 million, I need an investor. And most of these people, they don't even know why they need $1 million. By the way, comment below if you know somebody like this. And then there's those entrepreneurs that are overly optimistic and they underestimate how much it really costs to open a business. These are the types of people that say, oh, I quit my job to start this business. Oh, but I have a mortgage to pay for, but the business will do good. It just has to work. While this type of confidence is not a bad thing, I am a strong believer in research. And that brings me to the 3rd type of entrepreneur. This entrepreneur does his research and has a concrete estimate of how much he needs to start his business. This is the entrepreneur we want to be. We want to be armed with our numbers. We want to evaluate the industry and have some sort of idea as to a cash flow analysis. Okay, so step number 1 is figuring out your goal budget number. This is how much you are able to spend in the first place. How much money are you willing to put up front while leaving cushion for your living expenses? Because, you want to be smart about this. You don't want to go into this with the very last dollar you have to your name, because in reality, it might take months until your business is profitable. Sometimes I've heard of situations where it takes years. So knowing how much you are able to spend in the first place will make it easier for you to make certain decisions. And it will save you a lot of stress from the beginning. Okay, once we figured out our goal budget number, we can go to step number 2, which is to calculate our estimated budget number. The estimated budget number is how much your business will cost you to get it up and running. To do this, we need to figure out 2 important metrics. The first one is capital expenditures. Basically, these are one-time purchases. So things like furniture, equipment, machinery, these are all examples. The second thing you need to figure out is your expenses. These are things you are constantly going to be paying for. These are recurring costs. They can happen on a monthly basis. Things like utilities, rent, wages, advertisement fees, and so on. If you're having trouble figuring out capital expenditures and expenses, it is a smart idea to research other similar businesses. Very few businesses are so unique that they can't pull research or numbers from other already existing businesses. You can network with people in your industry to figure out general operational costs. You can price out retail and wholesale inventory needs with potential suppliers. You can talk to small business associations, groups, chambers of commerce, and other people in your local area. You can even ask a business or accounting consultant for advice. Although I would do my own research, because in reality, you are in full control of the business. It is your business and you really need to know your numbers. Okay, so once you figured out these raw numbers, it is time for step number 3. Step number 3 is to compare your goal budget number with your estimated budget number and make adjustments wherever it's needed, because you really want to tighten that budget. For example, ask questions like, instead of buying some of the equipment, is there a way for me to rent it to reduce cost? Could you buy some of the materials used or refurbished? And really assess your assets thoroughly, because maybe some of the equipment or the inventory you may already have. And really try to get creative on ways to save money when you're opening up your business. and keep cycling through this process until your goal budget number meets your estimated budget number. Because really, at the end of the day, you want to spend as little as possible in the beginning stages of your business. But you want to be careful, because sometimes saving money can get a little bit tricky when it comes to starting a business. You do not want to sacrifice the identity of the product or service that your business is providing. The first mistake that people make is that they keep throwing money at the business and trying to do everything. Instead, your business should be focused on creating a minimum viable product, or MVP. And this is a term every business owner should know about. A minimum viable product is basically the earliest version of the product that you're offering that people are willing to use or buy. And once you have some cash flowing into your business, that's when you can expand your business, you can improve the product, you can buy more equipment, and so on. Hey guys, I hope this helps. And if you found any of this information to be useful to you, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Good luck!